Well, when I began to study ethics, one of the things that you learn about are the abuses of research. And I think we learn about it that way because those are the things that gave rise to the regulations that have come about that govern at least human subject and animal, human and non-human animal research. And so one of the things I've developed a new understanding about is that research is very complex and it's cross-disciplinary, and you need a lot of different types of expertise, not only to do research, but to evaluate research projects. So one question that we can ask about research is, well, which research projects are worth doing? And why are they worth doing? How do we determine what projects are valuable and not valuable, or have more value and less value? So, of course, when I'm teaching in a medical school, the emphasis is on pharmaceutical technology, devices, well, to a lesser degree, but mostly pharmaceuticals are where the emphasis is. And there's often not a lot of thought, I think it's fair to say, about, well, what are the disparities that can be created by doing research? One of the questions that I'm always interested in is, well, how do we know whether this research project is going to be a good investment of our intellectual resources, of our federal resources, of our time, all the different kinds of energies that go into generating new knowledge about pharmaceuticals. And there's very little thought about who will benefit from them. There's much of the emphasis on, well, is it saleable? And who will buy it? And who will pay for it? And for how long will it have this value? Rather than, well, how many people will benefit from this? So, at the macro level, we can see all of the different kinds of inequalities that we have in the healthcare system, at least in the United States. But I think it seems fair to also talk about global healthcare inequalities as well, and health status inequalities. It's not clear that those inequalities will be reduced by any particular pharmaceutical innovation. So I would guess that the major innovations in health status and reducing health inequalities will come from things like helping people get clean water, sanitation. The major innovations in public health, those are the things that really have a deep and sustaining impact on people's life quality over time, all over the globe. And there are lots of those issues that we haven't seen a lot of innovations in, or if we have innovations, we haven't been able to make them accessible.